What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are back here with our Daytona Charger, and as you saw by the title, yes, we got ourselves a Wicker build for our car finally. So this video is going to be an installation and kind of a setup video on how to do it for the stealth Wicker build that we got on Z01 add-ons. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this. Let's not keep you guys waiting, and let's go ahead and go. Let's do it. But before we do that, make sure that if you guys are new here, you subscribe to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below, and you also make sure you drop that like to show your support for the channel. And it's gonna help us out, you know, show us the support, and we're gonna keep on going and getting on these mods for the car. But yeah, now for real, let's get it. All right, so here we are, guys, with this beautiful Wicker build that we got. Here is a look of the car, final look without our Wicker build. Here you can see it has the tail and no Wicker build installed as of yet. But not for long, because this little baby right here, she's gonna get herself a little makeover. Or a little facelift, you could say. All right, so here's you guys out of the bubble wrap. We got the little center piece here and the plastic piece over here. We did go for the polished finish. And now I open the package, I also noticed it was a little Z01 sticker. I don't know if we'll put that, but we'll see when we get there. Alrighty, guys, so we got it out of the box. One thing you are gonna wanna know is that if you did get the polished finish as I did, it's gonna have a plastic coating on one side. Make sure you guys don't take it off until after we drill the holes and everything else. So leave it on as for now. Here we go, much better, guys. We are hopefully in first person view. I hope you guys can see this good. Yeah, let's get this started. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna level this up. We're gonna line it up to the middle of the car. Luckily with the Charger, the camera is right in the middle. So we're gonna line it up to the middle and kind of go a little bit farther up. That way it's not sitting against the trunk. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna mark it, preferably something that's not black like I'm doing, but hey, that's all I have. Looks like it's right in the middle. So once you have your hole, go ahead and drill it out. There you go, guys, we got our hole. Sorry guys, my camera actually cut off, ran out of battery. But yeah, basically, you know, drill out your holes, you put your rivet in place, and then you go ahead and drill it all up to place. The clear piece in the middle is gonna go on the outside of it, not on the inside. You just put that on there, drill it all together, and that's really it. That's all it is to the installation. But yeah, guys, if you do guys want to see a more detailed video on how to do the installation, just head over to Z01 add-ons website, which I'll link down in the description below, and you can see a full video on there how to do it step by step. That's gonna be it for me, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys are new here, again, make sure you subscribe and drop a like in the video. Thank you, guys. Peace.